Hey friends, welcome back. I thought I would do a quick little video today. I just really wanted fries, right? Like sometimes you just can't get away from wanting fries. Like, you know, the good old days. All the days are good now. Scrap that, moving forward. So it's like, I've heard of people making jicama fries. Now, if you're not familiar, jicama is a root vegetable. It's a tuber. It's commonly used in like South American or like Central American, Mexican kinds of dishes. Really delicious, super light carb, super easy to make. So I'm going to show you the process of how I'm doing this. I'm going to try and make it quick and simple, super easy, and then we'll go in for the taste test. So, all right, let's get into it. Guys, so here they are. I have already peeled and chopped the jicama. I will post a picture for you of what they typically look like. Well, actually, they typically look like a turnip. So if you see turnips, look around in that area and you can see that there are jicama roots. So what I did is I went ahead and peeled and I chopped them kind of thin, like McDonald's thin fries. And this is about almost 3 pounds worth. So, and it didn't even cost me, it's like it's like almost 2 pounds. It cost me a little over $3 for this, so not bad at all. So now that I've got these all chopped up, whatever else, I'm going to transfer it all to this bowl, and I'm going to mix it up with some avocado oil and like salt and pepper, and we're going to throw it in the oven for a while. So here we go. So I have my avocado oil. I got this from Aldi. So it's got all the nice things about it too. It's like non-GMO, all good things. Try and use as clean ingredients as you can. And then we're just going to drizzle on top. I'm not going to do loads. I mean, I got quite a bit of jicama here, so I need to make sure that there's enough to cover it all. But I'm also going to use a bit of pink Himalayan sea salt and some black pepper. All right, here we go. Da-da-da, I'm so excited. So we have 2 pans here. I put down some parchment paper. They're coated nicely in the avocado oil, salt and pepper. They look really good. I'm gonna throw them in the oven at 425. Yum. 425. I set them for 30 minutes. We're gonna see how they do because I know everyone's ovens and stuff work differently. So, but they're in there, ready to go. Excuse my oven. All right, friends. Final result. Super good. And they've got that crunch to them. Really good outside, like golden color, and they're a lovely texture. So crispy on the outside, pillowy, soft on the inside. Yay! So if you guys want to try something new and something different, definitely check this out. See if you can find it at your grocery store. I'm sure like if you're near a Whole Foods or a Trader Joe's or your local grocery store, I'm sure there's somewhere that has jicama. So let me know if you're trying them in the comments below or if you tried like different flavors. I know some people said that they like to put a splash of chili powder and some lime juice on there, maybe even some garlic. So definitely one to try for next time. So, all right, guys, thanks so much. We'll see you next time.